51 years ago, this wondrous mixture of energy, color, culture, spirit, history, and tradition took the streets of St. Maarten. And 51 years later, it still has a solid grip on our minds and hearts. The sweet sound of soca, the vibrating boom of our jam bands, the mix of cinder and spices on the grill, the surge of the crowds in and around the village, the feel of warm island breezes settling before the bacchanal, the sight of happy faces and a few happy extra ones, possibly because of the enticed by the taste of some sweet guava berry rum. The excitement of seeing the village gates open. These are the things we look forward to, the things we crave all year long, and the things we miss once the village gates close again. For 2.5 weeks, this place is our kitchen, our playground, our meeting place, and our home. So on this night, I would like to say welcome. Welcome to the revelers, the bands, the troop leaders, booth holders, artists, and technical crews. Thank you to our policemen and women, our medical professionals, our security guards, cleaners, and volunteers. Thank you to the sponsors, the organizers, promoters, ministries involved, and of course, the SCDF. They have dedicated their time and in every year, this year also, to keep the spirit of Carnival alive. On behalf of the Ministry of Education, Culture, Youth and Sports, I would hereby declare this Carnival season open, and do have a safe Carnival. St. Maarten!